Hello friends, welcome to Old Style Learning, and today we are going to learn about unit abbreviation. So our first unit is time, and abbreviation, all the abbreviation time we are going to learn over here. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, please go and subscribe the channel, and let's begin our first. So ms is millisecond. Millisecond, and sec means seconds, second or seconds, or in informal way you write the quotation. This is the informal way. Then minute, min is for minute or minutes. Then hr is for hour or hours. And then am is antemeridian, meridian, and then pm is post meridian. ist is Indian Standard Time. EST is Eastern Standard Time. PST is Pacific Standard Time. MS Mountain Standard Time, and CST is Central Standard Time. So today's unit is abbreviation of time units and unit abbreviation, and we are learning today's time. It's MS is millisecond, SEC is second, MIN is minute or minutes, HR is hours, hour, HRS is hours, AM is entire meridian, PM is post meridian, IST is Indian Standard Time, EST is Eastern Standard Time, PST is Pacific Standard Time, MST is Mountain Standard Time, CST is Central Standard Time. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please go ahead and subscribe it today. Abbreviation, and today's unit is volume. So for volume, TSP is used for tablespoon, teaspoon. TBS or tbsp is used for tablespoon. C is for cup or cups. QT is for quart or quarts. ml is for milliliter. ml is for milliliter. L is for liter. pt is for pint. gal is for gallon. In our units abbreviation, today we are going to learn about temperature and speed units and their abbreviation. Okay, so degree F is degree Fahrenheit. Degrees Fahrenheit. And then degree C is degrees centigrade. Centigrade or Celsius. Centigrade or Celsius. Cal is for calories. And then for speed, mph is mile per hour, and kph is kilometer per hour. And we can write this is mile per hour, or and this kilometer per hour. Learning, and today we are going to learn about units abbreviation, height, length or depth unit. Okay, so the measurement are for those units in mm, cm or kilometer or meter or yard, and for mm is millimeter, cm is centimeter, m is meter, km is kilometer, yd is yard, mi is mile or miles, in is for inch or inches, ft is for foot or feet. So the unit we use to measure height, length or depth may be in meter or yards or miles or inches. So the abbreviation for these words we use in English are mm for millimeter, cm for centimeter, m for meter, km for kilometer, yd for yard, im is for mile, in is for inch or inches, ft is for foot. And today we are going to learn about unit abbreviations, and today's unit is area. So ac is for acre, ac is for acre, HQMI or MI square is square mile, and SQYD or YD square is square yard. And SQFT or FT square is square feet or square foot. And then SQIN or IN square is square inch. CM square is square centimeters. M square is square meters. Or meter, and km square is square kilometer. So AC is acre, SQMI or MI square is square mile, SQYD or YD square is square yard, SQFT or FT square is square foot, SQFT or FT square is same, square foot. SQIN or IN square is square inch, CM square is square centimeters, M square is square meter, KM square is square kilometer. Thank you so much, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, please go ahead and subscribe it. And I have created video for the other units too, and go and check that video. So if you haven't subscribed channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe it. And if you want to learn more units abbreviation, I have made videos for those units as well. Okay, thank you so much.